Hello, Namaste, and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I'm going to do a general love reading for the sign Libra. Libra people, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. Libra, in this reading, first of all, I'm going to check your current energy and your partner's current energy. Then we'll proceed with your readings, alright? Chariot. Libra, this is your current energy. Okay. And Five of Swords, this is your partner's current energy. So Libra, with this card, Chariot card, I feel that you are being somebody who is trying to hold certain situations. Okay, you are trying to hold some people, some situations in your life, or perhaps you are being somebody who is very responsible towards your own life and towards the life of your loved ones. Okay, you have all the traits within you, be it good, bad, or ugly, or be it you have all the traits, be it positive, be it negative. All right, and you are somebody who is mature, who knows how to keep balance, how to maintain balance, because you are somebody who comes from, you are Libra. Okay, you are known for your balancing nature. Okay, so you are, with this Chariot card, you are bringing balance or creating balance within your own heart and mind, within your own positive and negative traits. Okay, perhaps you have a lot of responsibilities on you, so in that way also you are bringing balance into your mind. All right, it seems like you want to conquer the world, is it? Because you are somebody who is very energetic, who just want to go and get things. Okay, on the other hand, we have Five of Swords. Libra, it seems like a person has already given up on you. Okay, I don't know why the same thing is repeating every time for you, Libra, that your person has given up on you, that your person has given up on you. I don't know what's happening, but yeah, with this card, Five of Swords card, it seems like a person has given up on you, and they have given up. It's you who, you made me lose this war. Okay, they have given up on you just because of you, because they don't want to fight with you. They can't fight with you, and they won't fight with you. So it's, so rather than saying something to you or asking something from you, they found that they should give up, and that's what they did. All right, now let's see what is the current situation of this relationship. What is the current situation of this relationship? Going with the flow. It seems like both of you are going with the flow. Okay, you guys are not talking to each other, you guys are not thinking about each other, you guys are not thinking about this relationship at all. All right, it seems like you have learned your lesson, they have learned their lesson, and right now both of you are going with the flow. Okay, you are not trying to control anything, neither you nor your person. Both of you have, it seems like both of you have surrendered, that I do not want to control anything, I don't want to control anyone. Perhaps your person thinks that I don't want to tell my Libra that how they should treat me. Okay, it's enough, they are mature, they know how to treat the person they love the most. Okay, so in either case, from your perspective and from their perspective, both of you have given up, or both of you have just learned the lesson, and now you are just going with the flow. Okay, now I'm gonna pick 3 cards for you to check what your person thinks about you, what they are currently doing, and what is their future plans towards you. Letting go. Innocence. Oh my god, nothingness. So we have 3 cards. Libra, your person feels about you with this letting go card that you are somebody who never keeps any kind of grudges in your heart for anyone. Okay, perhaps you are being, sometimes you act as somebody who is very mature, Okay, so sometimes you just let go things. Your person must have seen you, they must have observed some traits of your behavior that, hey, Libra people don't think serious about XYZ thing. Perhaps those things doesn't matter for Libra. Okay, so you are somebody who have learned the lesson to let go. Okay, who do not keep any kind of grudges from anyone. All right, now let's see what your person is doing currently right now. With this innocence card, I feel that your person is into some kind of teaching thing. Okay, they are taking guidance from people, they are taking guidance from the some gurus or some mentors. Okay, or perhaps this person is like so is so innocent that this person doesn't know that uh, how people are making fool out of them. But majorly I feel that this person is into some kind of teaching thing. Perhaps this person is learning some new skills in their life. Perhaps they are talking to some mentors and gurus in their life, and they are learning new things. All right, the future, the action, which, or I would say their future plan towards you is nothingness. Can you see the blank and black sheet here over here? It means divine has, or divine is giving you another chance in this relationship, Libra, and to them as well. Now it is completely both of you. It's not that it's their job, or it's not that it's your solo job to fulfill or to nurture this relationship. It is your job, both of your job, to come together and talk about your relationship, come together and see how can you fill the colors in this black page or this canvas which divine is offering you. Okay, so it completely depends on your bonding, how strong your bonding is, how strong your communication with each other, how comfortable you are together. Okay, all right. Okay, so Gemini, I feel that some of you could be dealing with Cancer with this Chariot card. We have air sign Gemini, Libra, Aquarius with this 5 of Swords. Some of you could be dealing with water sign Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio with this going with the flow and letting go. All right, so Libra, that was your reading. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. God bless you. Bye bye.